Hi, and welcome to the home of Biola's Cinema and Media Arts program, the Production Center.
We're going to give you an inside tour of all the amazing things you'll have access to as a CMA student. Let's get started.
Cinema and Media Arts is a collaborative community of filmmakers, game designers, writers, and producers, all working together to tell stories that matter.
At the heart of it all is our main soundstage, Studio A. And like pretty much everything here, this soundstage is available to you 24/7.
Studio A is big, about 2,000 square feet. I've seen so many cool projects shoot here, like spaceships, a full apartment set with running water, and falling rain. I've even seen some cool VR experiences that utilize the space. I mean, truly, your creativity is your only limit.
Large elephant doors allow you to load in anything for filming, even a car. And the workshop spaces outside are perfect for doing construction on your sets.
And the best part? There is no additional charge to filming in Studio A. Just reserve a time and start shooting. A space like this would normally cost hundreds of dollars per hour, but it's all included when you're Biola's Cinema and Media Arts student from day one.
Right next door is Studio B, which has a large pre-lit green screen site, giving you quite literally endless possibilities. Just flip a switch and you're ready to start shooting.
I've also used this space as a great location for auditions and table reads. And just like Studio A, it's available 24/7 to all CMA students. As a cinematography student, this is one of my favorite places on campus, the equipment room. It contains millions of dollars of camera, lighting, grip, and audio equipment for CMA students to check out at no additional cost.
I'm starting to sense a trend here.
Yeah, and the best part, you can start checking out our equipment on day one. And you're not limited to using the equipment just for class projects. If you have a story that you want to tell, just check out some gear and make that a reality. That's what makes us different than other schools.
Plus, our gear is the same as what's being currently used by professionals in the industry. So you'll graduate with years of hands-on experience, ready to hop onto any set.
Many of our camera packages even meet the strict requirements that Netflix and other streaming services have, which means the work you do here is ready for festivals and beyond.
If your shoot takes you off campus, we have grip trucks available too.
Biola also has staff dedicated to training you on how to get the best out of all the equipment. And they're constantly adding new equipment, so we always have access to the latest and greatest. Once you've shot your project, you'll need a place to edit. This is one of the 9 editing suites that are all equipped with powerful computers and industry standard software like Resolve, Avid, Premiere, and Unreal Engine.
Each of these suites are available for CMA students to reserve at no cost 24/7.
There are also dedicated audio suites available for mixing your project and recording music, dialogue, and Foley. We also have multiple computer labs available. This one is brand new, has a mixture of Mac and PCs, and is wired for VR. There's also a video game library with nearly every console.
Our screening room has a really nice 4K projector and surround sound, perfect for watching your work in the highest quality possible.
I've also taken a few film critique classes in here, and it's just like having your own personal movie theater.
Lining the walls of the production center are posters from just a few of the projects that our alumni and students have worked on.
It's so cool to know that students just like me have gone on to work on everything from Hollywood blockbusters to documentaries to television to even streaming hits.
Oh look, there's our dean, Tom Halleen.
Hey, we love our alumni. We surround ourselves with the work that they're doing. So just know this, when you come to Biola, you're not just here for 4 years. We want to stand alongside you throughout your career because you are going to make an imprint in this industry, and we want to help you do that.
There is so much to love about our production center and being a student in Biola's Cinema and Media Arts program.
Things are only getting better from here. Coming soon will be a brand new 56,000 square foot facility, which will add even more classrooms, a large screening theater, another soundstage twice the size of this one, fully workspaces, a motion capture studio, and even a backlot space.
We would love for you to join our growing community of filmmakers, storytellers, and game designers here in Los Angeles. Please reach out to us to schedule your personal tour or apply today.
We'll see you soon.